Okay, hey guys, so today we are playing some Subway Surfers. But before we get started, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bells. Also, comment down below what other videos you want me to do. Now let's get started. But hey guys, so today we're playing Subway. And you know the rest surfers. I wonder if they have Subway here. Okay. Oh, yeah. The worst thing to have in the game. See, I died from that. Okay, you know what? I'm just using the key. Who cares? I just need a key, and that's it. I'm not getting that again. No. Please, 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 please. I was about to die there. No. Okay, I died. Great. Isn't that just great? I died. Best thing in the world. Okay, wait a second. I need to shut up this timer. Shut up, timer. Okay, good. There. Ow, my foot. Okay. I might be able to get something really quick. Let's go to me. Who do I want? Can I get her? Oh, wait, let me see. I want Rex. Okay, I love this girl right here. I like that girl too. I like her more. I might get Wayne because he's... Oh, I don't have enough, but I was going to get Wayne because he's like the guy from Old Town Road. Oh, this is $2 here, so I like that guy. Okay. I want that. Hi, Rex. Hi, Frank. Okay, wait, let's see what these are. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm done with you, Frank. I don't know what that was. Should I get her? She's cool. Guys, we're getting her. We need 15. Okay. Some boards. Could have got that board. Okay. Top runs at the north. Item shop. So what should I get? 4th of July. So baby, hi. You'll work. Oh, yay. I'm very mad right now. I thought that was saying it would give me 6. Not take away. Okay, so let's check over here. 0.99 is 7,000. I need keys. I need 99. Oh, I need the $99 badly. Okay. I guess I can't get anything. Wait, what's here? Okay, guys, I have to get some keys, so let's watch a video. This game, I have it. It's a fun game. Let's play that. Made it. Yes. I think I'm wasting time. I thought I could do it before 26. Before the second. Yes, I did it before the second round. Okay. Done. Okay. Now let's get the keys and yeah. Yeah. Okay, we got 3 keys. I need more keys, but I'll do that later. Okay, sail? Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. No. Great. I died. Best thing in the world. I'm gonna play one more round, guys, and then that's it. Okay. This will be the best round yet. If I die quickly, then no, I will play another round. Jump. Jump. Okay. Oh no. Also go check out my French channel. It's called Basket Space BOI. I don't know what that kind of spells, but it's Basket B Space BOI. That's his YouTube name, and you should go check him out. He made one Roblox video that was really good. If you hear a voice in the background that sounds similar to this voice, yeah, I'm in his first video. I said subscribe, the notification bell, and yeah, all that stuff. Well, I guess I died, guys. Okay, so subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and don't forget to ask me what I should play in the comments.